Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by applying prerequisites. Install all pending Windows updates and reboot so drivers and fixes are active. Once done, free at least 10% disk space by running disk cleanup and removing large temp files, then open Task Manager and disable non-essential startup apps to reduce boot time load. Make sure to keep antivirus and driver installers only. You want a clean baseline before deeper changes. These first moves immediately cut background contention and give you measurable responsiveness gains. Now tune the middle layer. Open power options and switch to high performance or balanced with maximum processor state set to 99% to avoid thermal throttling spikes. Next, in System Advanced Performance, choose Adjust for best performance or selectively disable shadows and animations to reduce GPU and CPU overhead. Update GPU drivers directly from NVIDIA/AMD/Intel to gain optimizations. If new drivers regress, roll back to the prior stable version. These steps lower sustained load and smooth UI responsiveness. Finish by repairing system integrity. Run SFC/Scano and DISM, restore health to fix corrupted files that cause lag. Then monitor Resource Monitor for disk or CPU spikes and uninstall or reconfigure apps that constantly use I/O or cycles. Make a system restore point before major changes. If problems remain, refresh or perform a clean install of Windows after backing up data. That removes accumulated cruft. Troubleshooting tip: if performance worsens after a change, revert that change immediately and retest to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.